Hello, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 7S. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Or if you don't have it downloaded, install it from Play Store. Now open it, select account, tap Explore Wallet, and from the homepage of this app you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and add passes like transport pass, loyalty card and gift card. From menu you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. You can check participating banks and password manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you've got access to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.